The New York Times has filed a groundbreaking lawsuit against OpenAI and Microsoft. In this video, we'll dive deep into the details of this unprecedented legal battle, exploring the complex intersections of AI, copyright law, and journalism. Stay tuned to understand how this case could reshape the digital landscape and impact the way we interact with AI-driven content. Let's get started. Details of the lawsuit. The New York Times is suing OpenAI and Microsoft for allegedly using its content without permission to train their AI models. On the 27th of December, the lawsuit was filed, marking a significant moment in the ongoing debate over AI and copyright laws. The New York Times claims its copyrighted articles were used to train chatbots, potentially infringing on its intellectual property rights. The lawsuit centers around the unauthorized use of millions of articles, with the New York Times seeking substantial damages, though the exact amount is not specified. The case highlights key issues in the AI industry, including content creation, usage rights, and the ethical boundaries of machine learning. Attempts at resolution. Before the lawsuit, the New York Times tried several ways to fix the issue with OpenAI and Microsoft. They talked about making special deals. These deals were about how OpenAI and Microsoft could use the newspaper's articles legally. They also discussed using new technology to stop the AI from using the articles wrongly. But even with these talks, they couldn't agree on a good solution. So the New York Times decided the only option left was to take the matter to court. Responses from OpenAI and Microsoft. In response to the lawsuit, OpenAI was surprised. They said they didn't expect this and want to work well with people who create content. OpenAI believes in respecting creators' rights. They are open to finding ways to use content fairly and legally. Microsoft, on the other hand, chose not to say much. They decided it was best not to comment on the ongoing legal case. This shows they are being cautious and want to handle the matter privately or through legal channels. This approach is common in legal situations. What do you think so far? Are you surprised by this lawsuit? Do you agree or disagree with the actions of the New York Times, OpenAI, or Microsoft? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. We're really interested in hearing your perspective on this complex issue. Legal and industry implications. This lawsuit between the New York Times, OpenAI, and Microsoft could have big effects on the AI world and news industry. It's making people think more about how AI uses other people's work, like articles, and whether that's okay. If the New York Times wins, there could be new rules about how AI companies use content. This might change how AI is made and used. Also, this isn't the first time something like this has happened. There have been other cases where people were upset about AI using their work without asking. These cases show that as AI gets more popular, we need to think carefully about who owns what, especially when AI learns from things people create. This lawsuit might lead to clearer rules and change how AI and content creators work together. Share your opinions in the comments below. Do you think AI should be able to use existing content for learning? How should these legal issues be handled? Content creators' rights. This lawsuit could set a precedent for content creators online. If the New York Times wins, it might mean stronger protection for the work of writers, artists, and other creators against unauthorized use by AI technologies. This could empower individual creators, ensuring they have more control and potentially receive compensation if their work is used to train AI. Government regulation. The outcome of this lawsuit might lead to more government involvement in regulating AI technologies. This could include new laws or rules about how AI companies use existing content. Governments might start paying closer attention to ensure AI respects copyright laws, balancing innovation with the rights of creators and businesses. Future prospects. This lawsuit might lead to big changes in AI, copyright law, and the media world. If the New York Times wins, AI companies might need to be more careful about using other people's work. This could slow down AI progress, but also protect creators better. The media industry might also change, with news companies having more control over their content. Long-term, this case could make AI and content creators work together in new ways, maybe even making new rules for how AI uses content. This could shape how we all use and trust AI in the future. We hope it gave you some insights into the future of AI, copyright law, and the media. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and we'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below with your views on this issue. Stay tuned for more content like this.